Welcome to the 62nd episode of Learn Tamil Like a Native. Today we're going to see the words that help to draw attention. This is similar to the hello and excuse me in English. We say, hello, can you come here? Or, excuse me, could you pass that to me? Here, hello and excuse me are used to draw attention. Let us see the words in Tamil that has the same function. Just to understand better what we are trying to convey, let us see these two sentences. One is hello. Hello, could you come please? Here, hello means just to draw attention, and excuse me, why don't you stay quiet for some time? In both the cases, it's to draw attention. We'll see that now. In spoken Tamil, the word yenga or yennanga are used. So ye means why, yenna means what, and when that is clubbed with the word inga, it becomes excuse me or hello. Yenga, yenanga. You can use both, but yenga is more, it's used more widely than yenanga. So I'd say 90% of the time it's yenga. Let us see that both the sentences that we have already explained. Hello, you. Could you just come, please? And you here is to more point out at one person, which is Yenga, Ningata, that is you. It's you. Could you come, please? Hello, you. Could you come, please? Yenga, Ningata, Inga Varingala. You can just add this kunjam, means it is, could you just come? It makes the sentence milder. It's just to soften the command. கொஞ்சம் இங்க வரீங்களா? Excuse me, why don't you stay quiet for some time? என்னங்க சத்தம் போடாம அமைதியா இருக்கீங்களா? Or you can say ஏங்க சத்தம் போடாம அமைதியா இருக்கீங்களா? Or you can say சத்தம் போடாம இருக்கீங்களா? சத்தம் போடாம means without making noise. Or you can even say அமைதியா, quietly. So it's a choice. You can use sattam podame or amaidiya, or you can also use, it becomes redundant using it twice. So without making noise, can you be quiet? Just it means that. என்னங்க சத்தம் போடாம இருக்கீங்களா? என்னங்க அமைதியா இருக்கீங்களா? That's it. Or you can say ஏங்க சத்தம் போடாம இருக்கீங்களா? So it is either ஏங்க or என்னங்க. Excuse me, you should take that cue. Just let's imagine we are talking to those four people there who are making some noise and raising rackets. We want them to stand in one queue. So, excuse me, you all. Here, I mean, it's you all means something like you guys, you folks. Excuse me, you should take that cue. என்னங்க நீங்க எல்லாம் தான் அந்த வரிசையில் நில்லுங்க. என்னங்க நீங்க எல்லாம் தான் means you all of you guys. அந்த வரிசையில் நில்லுங்க. எங்க நீங்கெல்லாம் தான். So that's how the intonation goes. எங்க is to draw attention. நீங்க எல்லாம் தான். நீங்க எல்லாம் தான். It's you all, it's you guys. அந்த வரிசையில் நில்லுங்க. Go and stand in that queue. அந்த வரிசையில். வரிசையில் means queue. நில்லுங்க is go and stand. அந்த வரிசையில் நில்லுங்க. என்னங்க நீங்கெல்லாம் தான் அந்த வரிசையில் நில்லுங்க. ஆர் எங்க நீங்க எல்லாம் தான் அந்த வரிசையில் நில்லுங்க. Now let's see the next one. Hello, could you not be careful or attentive? If you look closely the picture there, the man is walking with this mobile. He's not attentive about the road or the street. So we want him to be careful. We say எங்க பார்த்து வரலாம்ல? என்னங்க பார்த்து வரலாம்ல? பார்த்து வரலாம்ல means can you not be a little more careful? பார்த்து means seeing, by seeing. வரலாம், you could come, just seeing around. இல்ல, பார்த்து வரலாம் இல்ல, ஏங்க பார்த்து வரலாம்ல. Again, when you say ஏங்க or என்னங்க, you have to always use the plural form even if it's singular. Singular respectful form, not, you cannot say ஏங்க இப்படி வா, that is wrong. You will say ஏங்க இப்படி வாங்க, ஏங்க இப்படி வாங்க. And again, to explain the word இப்படி means like this, in that's the exact translation, but figuratively it's also used to this side here. இப்படி வாங்க means come here, or it also means come like this. It's contextual. Is ஏங்க என்னங்க, is it polite or impolite, or is it polite or rude? It depends on how you say that. You say that softly, it is going to be hello, please come here, எங்க இங்க வாங்க, எங்க இங்க வாங்க. Or you can also say that rudely, எங்க இங்க வாங்க, எங்க இங்க வாங்க, hello, come here. So it all depends on how you say that. But let me give you two examples. Just imagine if you're in a very formal setup, if you're going to some meet a bureaucrat, or if you're going to a office or somewhere where it is not proper to use yenga, or just imagine if you're talking to a some director or in the ministry or some a big person, and you'd rather use, it's normal for people to use the word sir or madam. You don't use yenga, you instead use sir. Sir, எப்படி போகணும்? Sir, will you give me that? Sir, can I give the form? Can I fill the form? You'll not say எங்க form fill பண்ணவா? No. You'd rather use the word sir and madam. Unfortunately, the English words have become very common in a formal setup, like in a bureaucratic setup or in a very high society. But yenga என்னங்க is not wrong, but I would suggest you use sir or madam if you're going to office setup or something like that. Two, the second point what you see there is still in a rural setup, like in villages, the words like aya or amma is used. Aya means master and aya also means sir, but it is okay to, if you see somebody elder person and then you say vanga ya aya inga vanga means sir, come here. Hello, you come, you don't use hello, or you don't use yenga. Instead, you, if it's a very elder person, you can use aya inga vanga. If it's an elderly person, like somebody motherly or age respectful person, you can use amma inga vanga. So aya and amma is used in a very rural setup, in a very informal rural setup, whereas in bureaucratic setup it's more madam and sir. By the by, என்னங்க and ஏங்க can also be used for its word by word meaning, such as என்னங்க சொல்றீங்க means what are you talking, what are you saying. ஏங்க இப்படி பண்றீங்க, why are you doing like this, why are you doing like this. I hope you enjoyed the videos. Please leave your comments below so that I can make these videos more engaging depending on your views. Check my entire channel, and I hope you'll be able to speak Tamil like a native very soon. All the best with your Tamil learning. Vanakkam, Varthakal.